Hey everybody, welcome to Reborns to Love, and guess what, we're here with little Miss Olivia and Miss Naya, and we are just having a blast. Oh my God, I'm so sorry, look, Olivia. Oh, Naya, get her, hold her. Oh honey, Miss Olivia has some strong lungs. Oh my God. Okay, here. Okay, girl, we gotta give you your. Oh, here's your. Oh my God.
Stuff.
Oh, there's your passy. There's your passy. Okay. Wait a minute. Girl, look, don't be trying to do all of that. Oh, hey, baby. Oh my goodness. Oh. It's okay. Oh, you're a little poopy. Oh my goodness. Isn't she poopy, Naya? We got to give her a bath. Oh my goodness. Come on.
I need to get that right here.
No. We got to change her. Oh my God. Are you going to change her? No, you got to change her.
I moved.
Okay, we'll take her here. Uh-oh. I don't know what's in there. Ew, she poopy. Oh my God. She poopy. Oh, y'all don't pay attention to her little parts. Oh my God. Oh, she poopy. Okay, wait a minute. We don't want poop everywhere. Oh my God.
No, we don't.
Oh, she made a poopy. Oh,
She did a big one.
Oh.
Ow! Gigi, stop pulling my shirt.
Oh, come here. We gotta change. We gotta wipe her booty so she can get a bath. Oh my God. Ooh, girl.
Ew.
Ew.
Let's wipe her butt. Let's wipe her butt.
Uh-oh. I think I'm getting it on my fingers. Oh, how nasty is that? Oh, girl.
You're not gonna get her.
Okay, wait a minute. Hold on. No, come back over here, Naya. I need your help. Oh my God. We got all her little tootie mama in the air. Ooh. Girl.
Now let's get her in the bath.
Girl, about to break your legs. Oh my God. Ooh, you want to go throw that away? Go throw it away. Oh my God. Go throw it in the water. Oh, she dropped it. Oh, wait a minute. Oh my God. Oh, you dropped it in the water. Oh my goodness. Okay, y'all know this is pretend. And you know Ashley, that's just peanut butter on her, but we gonna act like this clean water. So we gonna give her a bath. Oh my God. Okay, all right, Naya, give her a bath. Here you go. Okay, wipe her down. Oh my God, that is so funny. You know what? Sometimes things on camera don't always go the way you plan, but we got it. We taking care of it. Okay, I think this toy is too big for her. We don't want that in there with her. Okay.
I need soap.
You need some soap? Okay, we got the soap. We got a little bit of soap. Okay, we just need a... There you go. There's some soap right there. Okay. She's trying to clean her the best way she can. Oh, look at her. She's so frail and little. Oh my goodness. Look at her. Just look at her. There she is. Look at little Miss Olivia. How about we pull her over here a little bit? Yeah, so everybody can kind of see her.
Wait a minute. I'm trying to sit right here.
Okay, wait a minute.
Sit right here.
Oh, there she
I'm
goes.
sitting right here.
That's a little bit better. Okay. All right, you gotta clean her really, really good. Okay. Oh,
I bet it's gonna get wet.
wash. Yeah.
We have to wash her hair.
Yeah, just a little bit. Just put a little water on it. That's how we doing it. Oh, look at her, y'all. Just look at little Miss Olivia. Uh-oh, sorry. She's getting her bath. Uh-oh, didn't want y'all to see the little parts. So, yeah, she's getting her little bath.
Got it on her eye.
Oh, you got it on her eye? Oh, my God. Oh. Okay, it's okay. Oh, y'all, she do not like her bath. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, Mama. Okay, here, you gotta wipe her legs. Girl, you know you got some lungs on you. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Yeah, we trying to do the best we can.
Her feet is red.
Yeah, okay, don't bend her leg. Ah, okay, you gotta wipe her little tootie, Mama. Wipe her little tootie, Mama. Down there. Okay. All right. Then you gotta wipe her little booty and her back. Oh. Okay, we gotta make sure ain't no boo-boo or nothing in there. Yeah. Okie dokie. It's all right, little Miss Olivia. Look at you, girl. You get it all cleaned up. Yes, you get it all cleaned up. And you're going to be so fresh. Oh, my goodness. Yeah.
Uh-oh, I'm getting some on my butt.
Okay. We got
I'm
the
getting
toy
some on
her.
my butt.
Okay. All right, we gonna get you out of here. Okay, here's your little pad. Oh, y'all, look. Okay, I ain't had a baby in 22 years. Oh my goodness. Okay, all right, let's get her out and dry her off. Oh, hey, little mama. Okay, here, let me take the water. Oh, okay. All right.
Okay, let's get her changed.
Okay.
Now let's get her changed.
We got to get her all dried off. Yeah, see, we got to get you all dried off, don't we, Mama?
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
You have to dry her hair.
Oh, yeah. Oh, just look at her. Just look at her. Look at that baby. Oh, look at that baby.
Let's just comb her hair.
Oh, look at little Miss Olivia. Yeah. Okay, we got to make sure we dry you off really, really well. Look at your eyelashes and everything. Oh.
Now let's put her diaper on.
Okay, wait a minute. We got to powder her.
Yeah.
And then we'll put the diaper on.
Can I powder her on myself?
Yes. Let me dry her off. Got to get up under her arms.
My booty's wet.
Your booty wet. Yeah, it is. Okay.
Where's the powder?
Okay, wait a minute. You got to stay right there. I'll get it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, wait a minute. Let's make sure that she's...
Where's the brush?
Let's make sure she's dried off really, really well. And then we're going to powder her.
Yeah, can I powder her on myself?
And what you do is, you take a little bit. You do it like that. Here you go. Here. Put a little bit of powder on her. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, you got to get it all over. Just a tad bit like that. Okay, you got to go in a different place. So you don't need a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay.
In her cooker.
in her cool. Okay, let's go right here. Do her legs. And then we're going to put her diaper on. Okay, do her other leg. Okay, do her face. Just a little bit. Shake it off. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Look at that,
She's
baby.
gonna cry.
Oh, don't cry. Don't cry. Okay, here. Okay. Uh-oh. You got it on you. Okay. You're giving her a white eye. Oh, she don't like that. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Y'all. No, don't. Okay, here. Oh, my goodness. This is so funny. Oh, okay. All right.
So look for them.
All right.
Okay,
if y'all just wondering, this is just a silicone doll. She's not real, so.
Got to put it on her booty.
Oh, look at her little booty. We got to get some on her booty. Okay.
Oh, she's gonna cry.
We got her back.
She's gonna cry.
Oh, I don't want her to cry. Okay, let's hurry up and let's get her diaper on.
Yeah. Wait, we have to do her hair.
Yeah, we'll have
I'm gonna put some on me.
You gonna put some on you? Why you gonna put some on you?
Because I'm putting it on my feet.
Huh?
I'm gonna get it on my face.
Oh, really? No, you can't put it. Oh, you can't put it on your face. Oh my God. Oh my God. No, give me that. No. No, 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 no. You're making a mess, silly. Okay. All right.
She want Baba.
Okay.
She want the Baba.
These videos never go the way I wanted them to go. So, but that's okay.
She want the Baba.
Let's get the diaper on. Oh, she looks so good. Look at she smells wonderful. Yes, she bless you. Oh, bless you. Okay. I don't think she wants it. Wait a minute. Let's get her dressed. Let's put her clothes on her. Let's get her dressed, okay?
She's gonna.
And then we're gonna do her hair. No, let's put her clothes on. Let's put her clothes on. Okay, so we're gonna put this little dress on her. Let's see. Y'all, I just have such a hard time finding clothes for her because she's so little. Okay, let's see. Let's get that little...
She have a long time to finish them.
Yeah, so we're just gonna put this on her. Oh. Okay, wait a
let
minute.
me get the thing.
Okie dokie. All right, little
Let me
miss.
get the thing.
No, I need for you to come over here and not be over there. Go move. Over here.
Gigi.
No, over here. Thank you. I need for you to listen. All right, let's see. Let's get her over here. Let's get her dressed. Okay, let's move this towel out the way. All righty. All right. I think she has a little bit too much powder on her face. Okie dokie. There she is. Look at her. Looking all good. Then we're going to brush her hair a little bit. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if this little hat will go on her. All right. Oh, how cute is that? Look, Naya. Look at her little hat. She look like a little fairy baby.
Yeah.
She look like a little fairy baby. Oh my goodness, there's little Miss Olivia getting ready for the day. There she is. Huh? No, that's no, put that back over there. There she is, everybody. Guess what? And thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed our video. And also, don't forget about the giveaway of the twin babies. If you have not subscribed and follow all the rules, then you need to go back to that video. Make sure that you comment there and make sure that you follow all the rules. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, all that great stuff. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.